Hi! Guess who's live? It's me. Something awful. Your dad. Straight away. Goon will be joining us later, I know. How will we be funny without him? It's impossible.
It's impossible for anyone to be funny here without Goonus here, VA.
That's true. How will
Who's gonna be funny? You?
I can't be funny. I'm Asian. All I'm good at is math. Right, I had to go back and save because you left just as we were about to fight Undyne. Not that I know that that's gonna happen for certain or anything.
Undertale isn't real. What are we playing?
Welcome back to my Fortnite Let's Play. This is Fortnite Story Mode, for which I paid. If you see something green, touch it. It's most definitely clean.
Is it because you're scared of the dog?
I genuinely do not know what you said. Yeah, it's scary. I did the wrong thing by accident. Oh god.
I swing my soap back and forth, I swing my soap back and forth.
He makes this joke about like when someone looks funny, it looks like they're a bicycle seat sniffer.
You deserved that.
I probably did.
I would do that. It's kind of stupid.
In hell. Well, I did save, but you left to eat hamburger and French fry, and
Hamburger was so good. And I'm such a turd.
You can't say that on Twitch. Oh my god, Monster Kid, you're gonna get me banned.
You can't say that. You can't reclaim the T word.
I'm gonna go home now. Help! I tripped.
POV, you're a brawl player. The principal's office and have him expelled.
He ruined Dream Journal.
Dream.
What?
Hit the hay, fast to sleep, dream a dream, you little.
Please, dream. Goon, you and Harvey should go cover that song.
Whatever you do, don't say the bleep. You can't say that on Twitter.
I can't say the bleep word. Smells like sushi. You can't say that. I'm gonna move my mouse.
That's racist.
Undyne. Anyways, I'm thirsty. It's a water cooler. Yeah. Take a cup.
Is there an option to straight up walk away? Oh shit!
Oh no, where'd she go?
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oops.
Did I mess up?
Did that mess anything up? I hope not.
I think I might have screwed up.
Oh no!
So why are you here?
You know, I'm something of a sexy shape myself.
Are you a cooking master?
Yes.
Are you a master chef? Oh, it's your time!
It's the man!
Oh, yes! Welcome, beauties!
Oh. That's so
true.
Snips and snails. No, shut up, that's my answer. You're gonna take my answer. No way!
More drama! More romance! More
Holy shit, let's go!
Until next time, darlings!
Let's fucking go!